Diesel Extreme, that is our concentrated injector fuel system cleaning. Its main focuses are fuel system cleaning and cetane boost. Using that, you're going to notice the internal diesel injector deposits, IDIDs. Those will be removed. It's really good for clearing out any soot, possibly removing codes for clogged emission system, things like that. Really anywhere that carbon can build up on the fuel side, you're going to notice it's going to get cleaned up by Diesel Extreme. Really looking at Stiction Eliminator and Diesel Extreme, those two go hand in hand right off the bat. Using both of those, you'll notice an immediate difference.
You're cleaning both the fuel and the oil side of the engine. So even if you're, don't have a Huey injector and you got a common rail truck, you're cleaning those injectors for an optimized spray pattern and better fuel economy, and also better operation. And you got the oil side cleaned up the turbo and everything else, and really just make everything sing in harmony.
Along with the secondary claims, we have the moisture dispersant, rust and corrosion inhibitor, what is it?
Cetane booster.
Cetane boost, obviously injector cleaner. So all of those are combined into the Diesel Extreme formula.
The second step of that is EDT.
EDT, so
Everyday Diesel Treatment.
Yep. The main focus for Diesel Extreme, we said, was the injector cleaner and the cetane boost. EDT, we're going to swap over to every other of the 4 claims. So we're going to talk about your moisture dispersion, which we used to demulsifier for, rust and corrosion inhibitor. We're going to be talking about, what did I already cover? Moisture, rust and corrosion.
You're really missing the 2 all-stars of what it does, and that's the cetane boost and lubricity.
Yeah, it also has the cetane boost and lubricity. Fuel stabilizer as well. Stabilizes up to a year. This is kind of your bread and butter all in one. This is everything you need for your diesel fuel, coming right out of the pump. All of the additives included in diesel fuel out of the pump aren't necessarily going to be. It's not going to have all of the performance that you're going to want, so that's why you're going to use it. Also, not to mention lubricity.
Right.
We have LX4 in that formula for lubricity as well. So, that's all safe.